Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to lock your Facebook profile. So guys, if you see on someone's profile, that person has chosen to lock their profile and show a limit view of their profile content to people they are not friends with on Facebook. When someone's locked their profile, only their friends will see the following photos and posts on their profile. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to lock profile on Facebook. So let's get started. So guys, to lock profile on Facebook, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar Facebook and press enter. Simply click on first link, Facebook login or sign up. So click on it. Here you can see our Facebook homepage. So to lock profile, you can see the option of account at the top right corner of the page. So click on it. Now here you have to simply click on your profile. So guys, here you can see your profile. So guys, to lock profile, here you can see three dots. So click on three dots. Now in three dots you can see the option of lock profile. So click on lock profile. Before lock profile, first read this carefully. So lock your profile, make your photos and posts more private in one step. After that, below this you can see how locking works. Only friends will see the photos and post on your profile. Only friends will see your full size profile picture and cover photo. So people you are not friends with will see a maximum of 5 profiles details. So after reading this, simply click on lock your profile. So here you can see you have locked your profile. Only your friends can see the photos and post on your timeline. So after that, simply click on OK. So again click on three dots. So guys, before here it is written lock profile. Now here it is written unlock profile. So in case you want to unlock profile, so again simply click on it and you can simply unlock your profile. So guys, here you can see we have locked Facebook profile. So you can also lock Facebook profile by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.